Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at a very important topic, matrix multiplication. We are looking at a multiplication of 4 by 4 matrix. So let's look at this example. We have this example that is given to us, 5003. Yeah, so this is the example that is given to us, 5003, here. Um, this is an example of a 4 by 4 matrix. So we're going to run this multiplication now. So the rule here for the matrix multiplication is row multiply row multiply column. Sorry, row multiply column. Yeah. So in matrix, here is the row. Here is the row. Okay. Here is the row. While here is the column. This is row and this is column. So let's run this multiplication. So we are going to be using each of these row to multiply each of these column. The column 1, column 2, we have 4 columns here, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and then we have also 4 rows here. So let's begin. Yeah, so we begin by 5 times 1. Okay, 5 times 1 here plus 0 times 7, also 0 times 7 plus 0 times 0 plus 3 times 2 plus 3 times 2. So all is going to give you 11. Now coming here again, we have the second column here. So we're going to do the same, run the same multiplication in second column here. So we have 5 times, okay, let me use the same. 5 times 2 plus, okay, that's 5 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 1, as well, yeah, 0 times 1 plus 3 times 2. 3 times 2. 3 times 0 will give you, if you add all of them together, you have 10. So coming to the third column here, so we have 5 times 2, sorry, let me use the same, yeah, 5 times 2, 5 times 1, 5 times 1, 5 times 1 plus 0 times 2, so 0 times 2 plus 0 times 0 plus 3 times 4. So if you add them up, this is 5 will give you 0, 0, 3 times 4 will give you 12, 5 plus 12 will give you 17, right? Yeah, 17. So coming to the fourth column now, this is the fourth column. So this is the fourth column we're going to work on. So we have 5 times 3, 5 times 3 plus 0 times 2, 0 plus 0 times 0 plus 3 times 0. So 5 times 3 will give you 15, plus 0, 0, all will give you 0 here, so we have 15. So in this first row, we're going to have these numbers 11, 10, 17, 15. Okay, so let's run the same multiplication for saving of time. Let me just quickly do it. So as you can see, I've quickly solved the whole thing, but this is the step-by-step process for which one can do a matrix multiplication. That is 4 by 4 matrix. So you have to start with a row, multiply each of this row with the column, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Then after you are done with it, then you begin with the second row. This is the first row, this is the second row, this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. So if you finish this method here, you repeat the same method here. Use this row to multiply the first column, the second column, and the third column, and the fourth column. So you have this as your answer. Then repeat the same method here. Use this row to multiply the first column, second column, third column, fourth column. You have your answer here. And then lastly, this fourth row. Repeat the same process for the fourth row. So at the end of this process, you're going to have this as your answer. So this is how you do a matrix multiplication for 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to like and comment. Thanks.